Respected devotees of Mahashakti Varahi, Om Varahi Namo Namaha, Om Vartali Namo Namaha, Om Panjami Namo Namaha, Om Bhumi Mata Namo Namaha, Om Bhumi Taneshwari Namo Namaha. Okay, so I'm very happy to see your comments. That is Malaysia, Singapore, and Sri Lanka, and other state subscribers. Please keep support. Please give your comments also, and I will improve myself. So, as you asked, I will give some flavors of Mahashakti Varahi, about Varahi and her likes. So, the first of all, about Varahi Devi, born from Mahashakti, Parashakti, the Rajarajeshwari, Lalita Tripura Sundari. So, the Rajarajeshwari as the queen in Sripuram, okay, her area, okay, that's Sripuram. In Sripuram, she is the queen, and her ministry is Madangi Devi. Her ministry is Madangi Devi, and for war commander, that is Mahashakti Varahi. Okay, Varahi is having the wild boar animal. No, we say no. The forest pig is there, no, wild boar. So her face is like that only, and she is very powerful, and she is having much anger also. So only this goddess is having as she will see the topmost anger level. Okay, more than Kali also she is having anger. So she used to go in front of in the war field, and she leads the soldiers. Okay, and she kills all the demons, this rakshasas coming in front of her. Okay, lakhs and lakhs of rakshasas were killed by Mahashakti Varahi in the war field, and she gave the victory to Rajarajeshwari. Okay, so she got blessings from Rajarajeshwari by Lalita Tripura Sundari. Okay, and this goddess is very powerful, and she's like a, in her heart she's like a baby, but her character, no, his angry mode is very high. Okay, so when she get angry, the total world may be destroyed. She can destroy the total world by her single beat. Okay, so that much power she is having. But she is having very much power, and she is used to give all the blessings and all the things, wealth and health to their her devotees. So now about Mahashakti Varahi, and she is very powerful goddess. And one more small history is also there. When Varahamurti lifts the earth from the sea, there is a history, when at the time he was not able to lift, because of by nature the pigs are not able to see the upside. Okay, so he is not able to lift. At the time he prayed Mahashakti, it is Parashakti Devi and Parvati Devi. So the Parvati Devi sent Varahi Devi to help Varahamurti at the time, and she gave power to Varahamurti also. So that much power the Varahi Devi is having. And yeah, so this is all about the history of Mahashakti Varahi, and whether everyone have the doubts whether you can keep the photo inside our home, the puja room and all. Nothing wrong. We can keep okay, her photo. Suppose if you are not worried or something else, if you don't want, if you want, you can keep a lamp. Okay, in the form of lamp also we can pray Mahashakti Varahi. Okay, and the statue and all we have to get from some guru, and Moolamatra also you have to get blessings from guru and learn from guru, and then you have to use. So these are all some precautions. While move towards Varahi, you should be very clean and neat, and this caution always I said, I say this is very important. Okay, she is very angry goddess at the time. This is very good for your their the devotees. So, and she likes her likes she likes green color, red color she likes the most, and her body is green color because she is from the forest. Okay, so she like green color, and dark violet. Okay, sometimes she wears dark violet. In Saturday she's like a Kali, so she like dark violet also. So these are all the colors very important to her. You can wear when you pray her. Okay, and then she like to eat all the root based vegetables. Okay, like yeah, you can give potato. Okay, and you call maravalli kelange. Okay, and then yeah, so carrot, beetroot, all those things. Curd rice she likes. Okay, curd rice she likes most. And black gram vada is there. No, we say karpu ulundu vada in Tamil. We can give to her. Okay, and finally the crystallized sugar. Okay, the kalkanda we say, no, kalkanda. And dry fruits. Okay, dry grapes is there, no. All these things are she likes very well. All the potato varieties she likes, she eat well. Okay, and if you offer all these things, she will bless you and she will give everything to you. Okay, so these are all some basic informations I gave. And forthcoming videos I will give some more informations also. Okay, for the international subscribers, please keep support. Please be with me. Okay, let us have a team. Surely we'll meet one day. Okay, surely we'll meet one day. That day, the more number of subscribers will be there. It will be a very big okay uh, team. I'm very happy to share all these things with you all. Because of YouTube, we are able to connect. That is very important thing. Basically, I'm from very poor background. And I studied my schooling in government school, Gedai. Okay, in Nilgiri district, there is a place called Gedai, where I studied my school up to 1 to 8 standard in Tamil medium, and then 9 to 12 also Tamil medium in some other schools. So but the teachers were very good. They taught very well. They taught good English to us. Okay, at the time I find very difficult to talk in English because full Tamil medium I studied. Now I am able to do because of the very good fundamental given by the teachers. So at that time I want to pray my guru, all my guru. Somebody have died also, but their blessings are always there. We should respect our we should pray our gurus always, our teachers, very important. Okay, so thank you subscribers, please keep support. Thank you.